Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. If you're looking for crystal clear audio capture, you are in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best digital voice recorder available on the market to help you upgrade your setup. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Famue L17 digital voice recorder. The Famue L17 digital voice recorder is a high-performance audio capturing device designed for professional and everyday recording needs, combining advanced AI technology with high-fidelity sound processing. It features AI recording-to-text functionality, allowing users to automatically convert recorded audio into written text with multilingual support. This makes it highly useful for meetings, interviews, lectures, and content creation where quick transcription is required. With 9126 kbps PCM high-resolution audio recording, the device captures exceptionally clear and detailed sound, preserving subtle nuances in voice and environment. This level of clarity makes it suitable for music sampling, conference documentation, and professional voice recording tasks. The recorder is equipped with voice-activated recording and a 27-level automatic gain adjustment system, ensuring that recording begins only when sound is detected and maintains optimal audio levels in different environments. This helps deliver consistent clarity whether in quiet rooms or busy settings. A dual silicone microphone array with 360-degree left-right stereo pickup enhances spatial sound capture, allowing the device to record audio evenly from all directions. This improves accuracy in group discussions and multi-speaker scenarios. For storage, the Famue L17 offers large internal capacity with support for expansion up to 1 terabyte. This makes it suitable for long-duration use, including extended meetings, seminars, and multi-day recording sessions, without worrying about running out of space. Overall, the Famue L17 digital voice recorder is built to provide intelligent recording, clear audio quality, and extensive storage flexibility, making it a practical solution for professionals, students, and content creators who need reliable voice capture and transcription capabilities. Next up, at number 4, we have the Mechen V06 digital voice recorder. The Mechen V06 digital voice recorder is a compact and efficient recording device designed for users who need fast, reliable, and high-capacity audio capture in everyday situations, such as meetings, lectures, interviews, or personal note-taking. One of its standout features is its ultra-fast recording capability. With a simple touch of the record button, it begins capturing audio within just 1 second. This instant response makes it highly suitable for spontaneous ideas, urgent conversations, or unexpected moments where quick documentation is essential. The device also features an optimized menu interface, making navigation smoother and more intuitive for users of all experience levels. Storage capacity is another major strength of the Mechen V06. It comes equipped with 16 gigabytes of built-in memory and includes a 128 gigabyte TF card, providing a total of 144 gigabytes storage. This allows users to save up to approximately 9,000 hours of MP3 recordings, or around 450 hours of high-quality 3072 kbps wave audio. Such a large capacity makes it suitable for long-term use without frequent file management concerns. The recorder also includes advanced voice-activated recording technology. With 7 levels of sensitivity adjustment, it can accurately detect and capture human speech while minimizing unnecessary silent portions. When no sound is detected, the device automatically pauses recording, helping to conserve both storage space and playback time. In addition, its adjustable noise filtering system helps reduce unwanted background sounds such as office fans, outdoor wind, or crowded environments, ensuring clearer audio quality in different recording conditions. Usability is enhanced through a 2.01-inch color screen that simplifies file browsing, playback control, and system management. Users can also adjust playback speed, making it easier to review long recordings efficiently. This feature is especially useful for students reviewing lectures or professionals analyzing meeting discussions. Overall, the Mechen V06 digital voice recorder combines fast operation, large storage capacity, intelligent voice detection, and user-friendly controls, making it a practical solution for everyday audio recording needs. Taking the third spot is the Ssmmdz digital voice recorder. The Ssmmdz digital voice recorder is designed for users who require high-quality, reliable, and long-duration audio recording in a compact and flexible device. Built with advanced recording technology, it delivers hi-fi, lossless sound quality, ensuring that every detail of the original audio is captured with clarity and precision. At the core of its performance is 1536 kbps PCM linear recording, which uses professional studio-grade parameters. This allows the device to replicate the original sound as closely as possible, making it suitable for meetings, lectures, interviews, and music recording. The result is a natural and detailed audio experience that preserves the authenticity of the source. Storage flexibility is another key feature of this recorder. It supports a new generation expanded TF memory card, allowing users to increase storage capacity whenever needed. When additional space is required, the memory card can be easily inserted, while the built-in storage ensures immediate usability without extra setup. To protect important recordings, the device is equipped with an automatic file saving function during low-power situations. When the system detects low battery, it saves the current recording in advance and safely powers off, preventing data loss and ensuring file security at all times. The voice-controlled recording function enables hands-free operation, allowing the recorder to start capturing audio automatically when sound is detected. This feature makes it highly efficient for long sessions and reduces unnecessary silent recordings. With support for ultra-long-distance recording, the device can capture sound clearly even from a distance, making it suitable for larger rooms or environments where the source is not close to the recorder. Combined with its large battery capacity, it offers up to 40 hours of continuous recording, ensuring dependable performance for extended use without frequent charging. Overall, the Ssmmdz digital voice recorder combines high-fidelity sound quality, smart recording features, expandable storage, and long battery life into a single compact solution for professional and everyday audio needs. Coming in at number 2 is the Famue L18 digital voice recorder. The Famue L18 digital voice recorder is a compact, high-performance recording device designed for professionals, students, journalists, and anyone who needs reliable audio capture in any environment. Built for convenience and clarity, it allows users to start recording instantly with a single click, ensuring that no important moment is missed. After recording, a simple pullback action saves the file quickly and securely, making operation fast and effortless. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth 5.4 technology, the device offers low power consumption and high-speed transmission. Users can connect Bluetooth earphones or stream audio directly to a Bluetooth speaker, making playback flexible and modern. Its master-level audio recording quality reaches up to 3072 kbps, delivering high-fidelity sound suitable for lectures, meetings, interviews, music recording, and legal documentation. The dual microphone array system significantly enhances sound capture by working in coordination to pick up audio from multiple directions. This ensures clear and balanced sound even in complex environments such as conferences, outdoor discussions, or crowded events. Combined with 10-level smart noise reduction, the recorder effectively filters unwanted background noise like keyboard typing, air conditioners, or ambient chatter, ensuring crisp voice clarity. A 1.91-inch IPS full-color touchscreen provides a bright and intuitive interface, allowing easy navigation through files, settings, and playback features. The vivid display also enhances the experience when viewing recorded content or music with lyrics, even in low light conditions. With 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, the device can hold thousands of hours of recordings without requiring cloud services, making it ideal for users who handle sensitive or confidential data. Its 110 milliamp hour battery supports up to 165 hours of ultra-long standby, enabling continuous recording over multiple days on a single charge. The Famue L18 supports multiple audio formats and is compatible with professional editing software, ensuring smooth workflow integration across devices. Despite its powerful capabilities, it maintains a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry in a pocket and suitable for discreet recording during interviews or business meetings. Overall, the Famue L18 combines intelligent functionality, high-quality audio performance, and portability into a single advanced digital voice recording solution. And finally, our top pick, the Zoom H4 Digital Voice Recorder. The Zoom H4 Essential Digital Voice Recorder is a versatile and professional-grade recording device designed for musicians, podcasters, filmmakers, and content creators who demand high-quality audio in any environment. Built with two XLR/TRS combo inputs alongside onboard stereo XY microphones, it delivers flexible recording options for a wide range of uses. Musicians can easily capture live performances, rehearsals, and songwriting sessions with detailed clarity, while the built-in XY microphones make it simple to record room ambience and natural stereo sound. For location sound work, the H4 Essential performs reliably in field recording scenarios. Its XLR inputs are ideal for capturing on-set dialogue and clean audio for sound design, ensuring professional results even in demanding environments. The XY microphones are capable of handling sound pressure levels up to 130 decibels SPL, making them suitable for loud settings such as concerts or live events. Podcasters and interviewers benefit from its dual-purpose design. External microphones can be connected via the XLR inputs for focused one-on-one conversations, while the onboard microphones allow for quick portable interviews on the move without extra setup. One of its standout features is 32-bit float recording, which removes the need for manual gain adjustment. This ensures that every recording captures a full dynamic range without clipping or distortion, preserving both subtle details and powerful audio peaks. The device also introduces accessibility-focused design, making it one of the first handy recorders tailored for blind and visually impaired users. With audible menu descriptions through built-in speakers or headphones, users can navigate settings in multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, Japanese, German, Italian, and Chinese. Equipped with Zoom's ultra-clean preamps, support for phantom power, and +4 dBu professional line-level input, the H4 Essential is engineered to meet professional audio standards across music production, field recording, and content creation workflows. Don't miss a single word ever again. Check the price link in the description to find the perfect recorder for your needs. Please like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome tech reviews. See you next time.